let's have this conversation. It is very, very, very important for you to take care of your child. Your child is your responsibility. It doesn't matter what a person is giving you, telling you, saying to you, asking you to do. Your child, your child, 9 months. You bring that child on this earth for 9 months. Your responsibility is to take care of that child until that child leave this earth or till you leave this earth. Whether if that child become a big person, a big woman, a big man, married or not married, that will be your child until the day you leave this earth. Even when you leave this earth, that child will be still your child. So what am I saying to you, parents, is remember, respect your child. Stop put other people over your child. Stop put put money, put things over your child. Your child comes first.